That smell change isn't random, it means something.
A woman came to see me. She had been dealing with a change in her body for months, quietly, alone, too embarrassed to tell anyone.
She thought it meant something was wrong with her as a person. You are watching this right now? Neither does yours.
Before anything else, I need you to hear this clearly. A change in your body's natural feminine scent is not a reflection of your cleanliness, your character, or your worth as a woman.
It is a signal. Your body communicates through signals. Our job is to learn how to listen.
Here is the part that will surprise you. The scented products, the perfumed washes, the internal sprays millions of women use every single day, they do not protect your body.
They remove the very protection your body spent years building naturally. You were sold a solution to a problem those same products created.
Your body maintains its own internal ecosystem, a living balance of natural organisms that protect you daily without you even thinking about it. Stress, hormonal shifts, certain foods, synthetic products,
all of these can disturb that balance. When the balance shifts, the scent shifts. That is the body's early warning system working exactly as it should.
The most common reason behind an unfamiliar feminine scent is an internal imbalance, a disruption in the natural organisms your body works hard to maintain. It has a name, it has a cause, it has a treatment. What it does not have is anything to do with who you are or how much you care for yourself. Remember that. Something nobody connects. What you eat every day quietly affects how your body smells. Heavily processed foods, too much red meat, and not enough water can all create temporary internal shifts.
More water, more whole natural foods, not to punish yourself, but because your body is worth that investment.
Now, if this change in your body is persistent, comes with physical discomfort, unusual discharge, or irritation that keeps returning after days or weeks,
do not keep managing it alone. That is your body moving past a signal into a request. A healthcare provider needs to be part of that conversation.
5 habits that support your body's natural balance every single day. Warm water rinse only externally, breathable cotton underwear, consistent daily hydration, whole natural foods,
and routine health checkups. No expensive product, no complicated routine. Just daily consistency and the decision to know your own body. Everything in this video is health education. It does not replace the personal guidance of your own healthcare provider. Your body is unique to you. For anything specific to your health, please consult a qualified medical professional. In AZ Health Tips, we built on one belief that every woman deserves honest, accurate health information.
If something in this video spoke to you, share it with one woman in your life who needs to hear it today.
You are not alone. You are not broken. You were just waiting for the right information. Now you have it. God bless you.